Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Quizlet for interactive learning, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Quizlet website at quizlet.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. If you already have an account, simply click on log in. Once logged in, click on create in the top left corner of the home page. Select study set to start creating your first quiz or flashcard set. Enter a title for your study set in the provided field. Add a description if you want to provide more context or instructions. Now, start adding terms and definitions. For each term, click on the first text box and type in the word or phrase. Then, move to the second text box to add the corresponding definition. You can continue adding more terms and definitions by clicking on plus add card. After you've added all your content, explore the options for images or audio if once you're satisfied with your study set, click on the Create button at the top right corner. With your set created, it's time to deploy it for interactive learning. Click on Class in the top menu to create a class or select an existing one. If creating a new class, enter the class name and choose Privacy Settings. After setting up, return to your study set and click on the Share button. Select the class you'd like to assign the quiz to. You can also share your quiz set through a link or by embedding it in a website. For interactive learning, consider using Quizlet Live. To start a live game, click on Live from your study set page. Choose between Classic or Team mode based on your preference. Share the game code with your students to join. As they participate, you can monitor their progress in real time. Finally, encourage feedback from your students to enhance future quizzes. This completes your guide on deploying Quizlet for interactive learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.